There is neither Jew nor Greek, neither slave nor free, nor male nor female, for you are all one. The most beautiful truth in the world is this: we are all one. Outwardly, we may appear different. Our names, languages, cultures, appearances, and beliefs may vary, but within, we are all the light of the same flame. The essence of life lies in recognizing our limitations, yet rising above them to feel the unity that beats equally in every soul. Human beings have built many walls around themselves, walls of religion, caste, class, and ideas. Sometimes we consider someone higher and someone else lower. Sometimes we call someone our own and someone a stranger, tame. But when we pause for a moment and look within, we realize that all these boundaries are merely illusions. The true nature of our soul exists beyond all these limits. Before God, there is no division. He does not see a person by their outward appearance or identity, but by their heart. There, no one is greater or smaller. No one is superior or inferior. Neither male nor female, neither slave nor master. All are equal and all are beloved. This equality is not just an idea. It is an experience of life born from compassion. When a person learns to see themselves and others, a fountain of love begins to flow within them. You begin to understand that someone's pain is not theirs alone. It belongs to all of us. Someone's joy is not just for one person. It belongs to everyone. From that moment, their life begins to change. They no longer criticize. They begin to understand. They no longer hold hatred. They begin to forgive. They no longer see differences. They begin to feel belonging. All are one does not mean that everyone must be the same. Rather, it means accepting every person as they are and honoring their experiences. Just as in a garden, each flower blooms with its own fragrance. Every soul comes carrying its own light. One shines like a sunflower, another gives peace like a lotus, yet both live under the same sunlight. This diversity is the beauty of life. When a person begins to see life in this way, their heart expands. They begin the journey from I to we. They understand that if someone is hurt, it is not only their loss, it is our loss. And if someone receives love, it is a victory for all of us. This understanding is what connects societies, unites nations, and links the soul with the divine. The true meaning of religion is this: to see the same soul in others that we feel within ourselves. When we can see the reflection of God even in the face of a stranger, we begin to truly know God. Then our worship is no longer limited to a temple or a church. Our whole life becomes a prayer. Every relationship, every act of kindness, every moment of forgiveness. Today the world needs this vision again. A world where we build bridges instead of walls, where faith does not divide people, but love unites them. When we realize that we all come from the same source and will return to the same source, hatred may be replaced by compassion and darkness by light. Because in the end, the essence of all is the same: one stream of life, one flow of light. The one who sees their own soul in others not only recognizes humanity, but also recognizes God. All are one. This is the message that leads humanity from division to freedom, and from separation to the fullness of love.